Alright, as you see here, we got the tabs here and the tabs there. That is broken off on this side. No tabs there. So some idiot put white caulking in there. Okay, well, the idiot was me. Alright, I put the white caulking in there, but I really need this to this car, I'm shipping it out tomorrow to get the brakes fixed. So my 79 Electra Limited. So to get this done quicker, what I will be using is my old trusty glue gun. So this is gonna work a lot quicker. And all I'm gonna do is stick that down in there. It's a hot glue gun. Stick a little bit in, let it dry, start drying. I'm gonna stick a little bit in on this other side. Let it start drying right away. And then I'm gonna just add some more. Try to cool it down, and if you see, I got tape on the opposite side to make sure I don't get glue all on the outside. And what this is just the window switch for the right side, and those tabs was broke off. So like I say, a lot of this stuff is hard to find, so you just got to come up with your own creative ways to fix this stuff. So like I said, I'm going to just come in and use that hot glue. And I'm going to put that hot glue in here. And let it build up. And when that dry, then when I press down on that switch, I'm not going to have to worry about that switch, you know, this moving up and down no more. So just blowing on it, cooling that glue down. Add a little more. Add a little more. And that should be good. So after I get done letting this dry, it shouldn't take nothing but a few minutes for this to dry. Then I can put this back on the door panel right away. So I just like showing you guys, you know, when this stuff is broke, man, you got to come up with creative ways on how to fix these. So I'll come back after it's dried and I'll push on it and let you see. Hopefully it won't break. Back loose, we will see. Okay, now as you see, when I'm pushing on that switch, that's sealed in there now. So that's a good way to fix this. Get you a hot glue gun. If those tabs are broke off, this thing is loose, it's good.